Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will talk about Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin and how can we use it? Payment made easy at mobile. Bitcoin, when used on a mobile device, allows you to pay with a simple two-step scan and pay. There is no need to sign up, swipe your card, type a PIN, or sign anything. All you need to receive Bitcoin payments is to display the QR code in your Bitcoin wallet app and let the other party scan your mobile or touch the two phones together using NFC radio technology. And second is security and control over your money. Bitcoin transactions are secured by mathematics and energy. Cryptographic signatures prevent other people from spending your money. Energy spent by proof of work POW prevent other people from undoing, rearranging, or losing your transactions so long as you take the required steps to protect your wallet. Bitcoin can give you control over your money and a strong level of protection against many types of fraud. Third one is works everywhere anytime. Similarly to email, you don't need to ask recipient you are sending Bitcoin to use the same software, wallets, or service provider. You just need their Bitcoin addresses, and they you and then you can transact with them anytime. The Bitcoin network is always running and never sleeps, even on weekend and holidays. Next one is fast international payments. Sending bitcoins across border is as easy as sending them across the street. There are no banks to make you wait 3 business days, no extra fees for making an international transfer, and no special limitation on the minimum or maximum amount you can send. The other one is choose your own fees. There is no fee to receive Bitcoin, and many wallets let you control how large a fee to pay when spending. Most wallets have reasonable default fees, and higher fees can encourage faster confirmation of your transactions. Fees are unrelated to amount transformed, so it's possible to send 1 lakh bitcoins for the same fee it costs to send one bitcoin. Protect your identity. With Bitcoin, there is no credit card number that malicious actors can collect in order to steal from you. In fact it's even possible in some cases to send a payment without revealing your identity, almost like this physical money. You should, however, take note that some effort can be required to protect your privacy. Here can you start with your big Bitcoin, and what is their resources? Resources is a Bitcoin Wikipedia, Khan Academy, Let's Talk Bitcoin, Bitcoin Knowledge, podcast. We can use coins.com, bitcoinsmining.com, I am Satoshi, Bitcoin informing and educational resources. Directories, wallets, merchants, coinmap dot origin, merchants underscore spend debit, merchants dot 99 bitcoins, exchange by bitcoin worldwide.com, exchanges victorvar.com, merchants tools projects, Satoshi.info, charts and statistics, Satoshi.info, bittabs.com, blogcipher, Nipol.space, tradeblog, bitcoinchart.com, gobitcoin.io, bitcoin average, documentaries. Altier states the Bitcoin phenomenon, Bitcoin beyond the bubble, magic money, the Bitcoin revolution, evolution of Bitcoin, biter fail, fold, gift, open dime, guides, cold call, Bitcoiner guide, node dot guide. What is developers? Developers guides, reference, examples, glossaries. References, blockchains, transactions, wallets, P2P network, PRCP, API reference. And here is introductions. Introductions is the developer reference aim to provide technical detail and API information to help viewers start building Bitcoin based application, but it's not a specification to make the best use of this documentation. You may want to install the current version of Bitcoin Core either from source or from a pre-compiled executable. That's the end of the video. Thanks for watching.